Managing inventory can be a daunting task, but with Monday.com, you can streamline the entire process and make it more efficient. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manage inventory with Monday.com and show you some of its most helpful features. Keep watching till the end, because we'll also share some alternatives that might even work better for your specific needs. To get started, Monday.com offers a flexible platform where you can manage inventory in a visual, easy-to-navigate way. You'll find pre-built templates that make it easy to jump in, but even better, you can customize those templates to fit your exact needs. So, whether you're tracking stock levels or managing orders, you'll be able to adjust the board structure as you go. Next, let's talk about tracking inventory levels. With Monday.com, you can create a column specifically for stock levels, updating them in real time as inventory moves in and out. This helps you avoid stockouts or overstocking. You can also set up alerts for low stock levels, so you're always one step ahead. This feature is great for staying on top of inventory without constantly checking in. The third thing you can do is track supplier information directly in your inventory board. You can create separate columns for supplier details and set up automatic reminders for restocking, which helps you ensure you're never caught off guard by a supplier delay. The best part? It syncs with your inventory updates, so when an item's stock runs low, you'll get a reminder to reach out to your supplier. Now, let's talk about integrations. Monday.com integrates with various other tools like Shopify, QuickBooks, and Google Sheets, making it easy to connect your inventory system with your accounting, sales, and marketing efforts. These integrations save you time by eliminating the need to manually update multiple systems. The fifth thing worth mentioning is their reporting and analytics tools. With Monday.com's dashboard, you can get a clear view of your inventory health, whether it's tracking sales trends or forecasting future inventory needs. This can help you make more informed decisions about your stock, ultimately helping you optimize your inventory management. But while Monday.com is great for certain inventory management tasks, it's not perfect. The learning curve can be a little steep for new users, especially if you're trying to create highly customized workflows from scratch. Additionally, its pricing can be a bit on the higher end compared to other options, especially if you're a small business. So, what are the alternatives? Well, there are some amazing inventory management tools out there that could offer even better solutions for your business. Tools like Zoho Inventory, TradeGecko, or even Fishbowl offer specialized features that some users might find more efficient for inventory management goals, plus they come with free trials. We'll talk more about those alternatives in a moment, but just to let you know, through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. In conclusion, while Monday.com offers great flexibility and integration options for inventory management, there are other tools out there that might suit your business goals better, depending on your needs. But don't worry, whether you stick with Monday.com or explore one of the other alternatives, you'll get a free trial and exclusive benefits if you sign up through our link. Make sure to check it out, and we'll see you in the next video.